Assalamualaikum and good day. This video will explain about the negative effects of interest rate in the economy. Say that in the economy, there are three important players. This is to simplify my model here. The first player, this represents those we consider as the surplus unit in the economy. Surplus unit means after they spend their money, they still have a lot of balance. And basically that represents the rich people. The second group of people in the economy are the deficit spending unit. They spend their money, they ended up in deficit. And these are the poor people. So we write here, poor. In order to establish a smooth flow of funds between these two groups, the economy has an institution known as financial institution, and in this example we can represent by, let's say this is a bank. So we write here bank. Now what happened when there is interest rate in the economy? Usually rich people, they have a lot of money, they go to the bank and they save up. While poor people, they also go to the money, but not to save money, rather to borrow money. Maybe to borrow money because they want to start a business, they want to purchase important things, they borrow money. And in this case, when somebody makes loan, bank, let's say, will charge interest rate, let's say equal to 7%. Alright? And another thing happens here. Those who save money, let's say in a fixed deposit account, they will earn interest income of, let's say here, 3%. Alright? Rich people gets 3% interest income. Bank, as an intermediary, pocket in interest of 4%. What we can see here now is that the movement of fund is biased towards favoring the rich, because poor people needs to work harder in order to pay their loan. That's number one. Then they need to work harder because they need to pay the interest charged on them. That's number two. And the third reason why poor people are being oppressed in this system is that they also need to work harder because just to put some food on the table, at least 3 kinds of job. On the other hand, the rich group, the rich people, can sit on the money. Rich people can be represented by this group and the banks. They can sit on the money because this guy, the poor, do the hard job, do extra jobs, get money, and the money will move towards this direction. Therefore, what we can conclude here is that interest rate is bad to the economy because it creates unequal distribution of income, bias towards the rich. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Wassalam.